Where does your money go? The disappearing paycheck mystery? Do you ever look at your bank account and wonder where your money went? You work hard, but somehow, by the end of the month it feels like it just vanished. This is a common problem, a frustrating cycle for so many people. Many feel trapped, unable to save, unable to get ahead. It is time to stop that cycle right now. You need to become the master of your money. The truth is, your money isn't just disappearing, it's going somewhere. Every single dollar has a destination. The problem is you might not know what that destination is. You are not tracking it. This is like driving a car without a steering wheel. You need a plan, you need direction, you need to take back the wheel. But here is the good news. You absolutely can take control. It takes knowledge, it takes discipline, and it takes the right tools. Financial freedom is within your reach. This guide for 2025 will show you how. You need to be strong, smart, and secure. And it starts by understanding where your money is truly going. So, are you ready to find out? The 3 pillars. Your foundation for financial strength. To build a strong financial house, you need a solid foundation. This foundation rests on 3 crucial pillars. They are budgeting, saving and building an emergency fund, and investing for growth. Get these 3 pillars right, and you will transform your financial life. The first pillar is budgeting. Budgeting simply means creating a spending plan. You tell your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. It is about making conscious choices. A budget gives you power. It is the roadmap to your financial destination. The second pillar is saving and building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses will happen. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It protects you from going into debt. Saving is also for your future goals. The third pillar is investing for growth. Saving money is important, but to truly build wealth, your money needs to work for you. This is where investing comes in. Investing allows your money to grow over time. It helps you beat inflation. Many people are scared of investing. They think it is too complicated or too risky. But it doesn't have to be. You can start small, you can learn. Investing is accessible to everyone today, and you don't need a lot of money to start. The key is to start early and be consistent. Budgeting power. Telling your money where to go in 2025. Let's talk more about budgeting. It is the cornerstone of financial control. Think of it as your personal financial rulebook for 2025. A budget helps you see exactly where your money is going. It highlights areas where you might be overspending. Without a budget, you are flying blind. Creating a budget starts with tracking your income and expenses. For 1 month, write down every single penny you earn and spend. This might seem tedious, but it is an eye-opening exercise. This information is power. It is the first step to making informed financial decisions. Thankfully, technology makes budgeting easier than ever. There are fantastic apps available. You Need a Budget, or YNAB, is a popular choice. Mint is another great app that tracks your spending automatically. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can use Notion templates, or even a simple spreadsheet. The tool doesn't matter as much as the habit. Remember, a budget is not about restricting yourself from enjoying life. It is about making conscious spending decisions. It allows you to spend guilt-free on the things you value. A budget is your permission slip to spend wisely. Take that control. Section 4. The Safety Net. Building your savings and emergency fund. Now let's focus on saving and your emergency fund. This is your financial shield. It protects you from life's unexpected curveballs. You must prioritize building this safety net. I recommend saving at least 20% of your income. Start small if you need to. But start, and be consistent. Your first savings goal should be your emergency fund. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. What are essential expenses? Rent or mortgage, utilities, food, transportation, insurance payments? Calculate this amount. This is your target. This money is not for vacations, it is for true emergencies only. How do you build this fund? Pay yourself first. Before you pay any bills, transfer a portion of your paycheck to a separate savings account. Automate this transfer. Make it happen without you having to think about it. This discipline is key. Treat your savings contribution like any other important bill. Having a fully funded emergency fund brings incredible peace of mind. It reduces stress, it gives you options. You won't have to rely on credit cards or loans when unexpected costs arise. This fund is your buffer against financial chaos. It is one of the kindest things you can do for yourself, so make it a top priority in 2025. Start building that fortress of financial safety. Section 5. Grow your wealth. Introduction to investing for your future. Once your emergency fund is in place, it is time to think about growing your wealth. This is where investing comes in. Saving money is crucial, but it is often not enough to reach your long-term goals. Investing is how you make your money work for you. It is how your money can make more money. This is called compounding. Many beginners are intimidated by investing. They think it is only for the rich, or that it is too complicated. These are myths. Investing is accessible to everyone today, and you don't need a lot of money to start. You can begin with small, regular contributions. The key is to start early and be consistent. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to investing. So, how do you start investing in 2025? There are many options for beginners. Robo-advisors are a great choice. Companies like Betterment and Wealthfront use algorithms to build and manage a diversified portfolio for you. They make investing simple and low cost. The most important thing is to educate yourself. Understand the basics of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, or ETFs. Start learning, start investing. Section 6. Smart tracking and automation, your financial dashboard. Managing your money effectively in 2025 requires smart tracking and embracing automation. You cannot manage what you do not measure. Regularly tracking your income, expenses, savings, and investments is vital. This gives you a clear picture of your financial health. It helps you stay on course towards your goals. Think of it as your personal financial dashboard. We talked about budgeting apps like Mint and YNAB. These tools are fantastic for automating much of the tracking process. They categorize your transactions automatically. This saves you time and effort. Use these features to your advantage. Let technology do the heavy lifting. Beyond budgeting apps, consider using tools like Google Sheets or other spreadsheet software. You can create custom reports. You can track your net worth. Automation is not just for tracking. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each payday. Make automation your financial co-pilot. Section 7. Your financial future, your rules, goals, action, and success. Now it is time to bring it all together. Mastering your money in 2025 is about setting clear goals, taking consistent action, and celebrating your success. What do you want to achieve financially? Do you want to be debt-free? Do you want to buy a home? Do you want to retire early and comfortably? You need specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. These are SMART goals. Write them down, make them visible. This gives your financial efforts purpose and direction. Use technology to help you track your progress towards these goals. Many financial apps allow you to set up specific goals and monitor how you are doing. Seeing your progress can be incredibly motivating. It reinforces positive financial habits. It keeps you focused when distractions arise. I have seen countless people transform their lives by setting clear goals and diligently working towards them. You can be one of them. Believe in your ability to achieve financial success. Remember, personal finance is personal. The tools and strategies I have shared are a starting point. Adapt them to your own circumstances. The key is to get started. Do not wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Take one small step today. You can do this.